Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word with me, Alex. Today, we're diving into the word assessment, a B2 level noun meaning evaluation or judgment. This word is commonly used in both professional and everyday contexts, so let's explore it together. The word assessment is often used when we're talking about analyzing or judging something carefully. For example, you might hear it in phrases like risk assessment or performance assessment, which involve evaluating potential risks or someone's work. It's a versatile term that can apply to situations ranging from academics to workplace decisions. Some synonyms for assessment include evaluation, appraisal, and analysis. For example, you could say, the teacher's evaluation of the project was very detailed, or a financial appraisal is required before buying a house. Each of these words carries a similar meaning but may be suited to slightly different situations. On the other hand, antonyms for assessment include words like ignorance, neglect, and disregard. For instance, if no one takes the time to evaluate a situation, you might describe it as a case of neglect, like in the sentence, the company's neglect of customer feedback led to declining sales. In everyday life, assessment can pop up in conversations about work, school, or even personal growth. You might say, I had a skills assessment at work today, or the doctor performed a health assessment during my checkup. It's a word that reflects a thoughtful process of reviewing or judging. To help you remember assessment, here are a few examples of it in action. The government's assessment of the new policy will take several months. Before starting the project, the team conducted an environmental assessment. Her assessment of the situation was both accurate and insightful. To sum it up, assessment is a handy noun that means evaluation or judgment, and it can be used in various contexts to show careful consideration. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you learned something new about this useful word. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. It helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear your own sentence using assessment in the comments below. See you next time.